So in this video, we will solve a radical 4-degree equation. So basically we have solved this problem by method 1 in the previous video. In this video, we will see an easy method, that is method 2. So we have this expression, that is a square root of 4 minus x left hand side, and the right hand side we have x square minus 4. Now what we can do is, to solve this, what we will do is we will assume this whole term is equals to by. So this is equals to by. This means I can frame an equation by using this 2. So I can write a square root of 4 minus x, which is equals to by, or if I square both sides, I can have 4 minus x is equals to by a square. Or I can also write, that is, if I take 4 that side, so I will have minus x is equals to by a square minus 4. So I can say by a square minus 4 is equals to minus x. So this is my first equation. Now I can also equate these two. That is x square minus 4 is equals to by. So this will give me the second equation. So this is my second equation. So let us call this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now what I can do is, we can subtract these two equations. So first I have this equation, that is by a square minus 4 is equals to minus x, and then I have this equation, that is x square minus 4 is equals to by. So x square minus 4 is equals to by. Now let us subtract these two equations. So I will have minus plus minus. So in this case 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So I will have by a square minus x square is equals to minus x minus by. So this I will have. Now if I further simplify this, I can rewrite, so this term I can rewrite, that is by a square minus x square is equals to minus x minus by. If I multiply both sides with a negative sign, I will have x square minus by a square is equals to x plus by. Now I can simplify this. This is nothing but x plus by into x square x minus by, because I know that there is a formula, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So I am using this formula here. That is x square minus by square is equals to x plus by into x minus by, and this is equals to this side we have x plus by. Now see, we can take everything left hand side. So we will have x plus by, x minus by, and minus x plus by, and then we can take x plus by common. So if I take x plus by common, then I will have, here I will have x minus by, and here I will have minus 1. And this is equals to 0. So from here I can say either this term is 0 or this term is 0. So we can have, in this case, x plus by is equals to 0. This means by is equals to minus x. Now if I plug by is equals to minus x, the previous equation we have, that is this equation, then I will get an equation in x, that is x square minus 4 is equals to by this equation that we earlier have. So we can put value of y in this expression, that is x square minus 4 is equals to by. So what we have, there we have x square minus 4 is equals to by, but now we have proved that by is nothing but minus x. So x square minus 4 and by is nothing but minus x. So we will have x square plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. So if you solve in this case, we will have x is equals to minus b is minus 1, plus minus b square minus 4ac, b in this case is 1, so 1 square is 1, and minus 4 times A in this case is 1 and C in this case is minus 4. So this divided by 2A, 2 times A. So what we will have? We will have minus 1 plus minus, this is root 17 divided by 2. Now here I have used the result of quadratic equation. So if you remember, if you have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then roots of this equation is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So I have used this fact to calculate this value, So this is from one solution, that is x plus y is equals to 0. Similarly, I have another solution, that is x, this term, that is x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. So in this case we can say y is equals to 1 minus, or y is equals to x minus 1. If I take by that side, so this becomes y is equals to x minus 1. So now I can equate, or I can put the value of y. So this was the expression. Then I can put the value of y in terms of x. So I will have x square minus 4 is equals to y, and y is nothing but x minus 1. So I will have x square minus x, and this becomes minus 3 is equals to 0. Once again, this is a quadratic, and I can solve using the formula that I have. So x is equals to nothing but minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So I will use this formula in this case to calculate the value of x. So x is equals to minus b. So in this case b is minus 1. So this term is minus 1. So b is equals to minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus minus b square is nothing but minus 1 whole square minus 4, and a in this case is 1 and c in this case is simply minus 3. So this is minus 3, and this divided by 2a, so this divided by 2, and a is 1. So what we will have in this case, I will have x is equals to 1 plus minus, and this becomes 13 root 13 by 2. So basically we got 4 solutions. So 2 solutions I got here and 2 solutions I got here. So there are 4 solutions. This solution can be written as, so x can be minus 1 plus root 17 by 2 and minus 1 minus root 17 by 2, and then here I will have 1 plus root 13 by 2, root 13 by 2, and then I will have, this is 1 minus root 13 by 2. So this is coming from here. So this is coming from here. 1 plus root 13 by 2 and 1 minus root 13 by 2. So we have 4 solutions. Finally, we have to check whether these solutions satisfy the original equation or not. So what was the original equation? Original equation is under root 4 minus x is equals to x square minus 4. So this was the original problem. So what we have to do is, we have to plug these values, these roots in this equation, and whether they satisfy or not, we have to check. So if you put these values and if you will check, you will find that this solution and this solution does not satisfy this equation. So this means these are the 2 solutions that is possible solution for this equation. So this is the easier method compared to the previous method that I showed in the previous videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you like this problem, and if you like, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.